Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngegame esoyidlala against iChippa United esobe siyidlala le eNelson Mandela Bay Stadium. Igame izobidlala ngesonto bafethu ngo3 o'clock ningaphuthelwa ke. Kuzobe ku game week 5 for ama team o2. Orlando Pirates currently unumber 9 mase kuthi iChippa United ile emsileni ebe ku number 16. Chippa United ina 1 point, leli point elithola bedlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates ina 6 points currently. Izinto azihambeli kahle Chippa United ever since they let go of ucoach wabo ade bakhoja isizini esathana ukuqala. Currently abakamtholi ucoach. Njengoba akamtholi nje ucoach izinto azikho right for Chippa United. But indlela engababona bedlala ngakhona against Mamelodi Sundowns. I saw a team ngempela ephekiwe. Angazi kwalaphi. Angazi ngempela kwalaphi, but indaba ngazizwa kuthiwa isporting director no head coach babenga align. Ama visions abo ayenga align, abadlali babefuna isporting director babenga align nabadlali ayezobasebenzisa ucoach. So iowner ya decide ukuxosha ucoach. Yabo, siyazi bafethu Chippa United ayipheli isizini ngabaxoshanga mhlawumbe ucoach baze babe bathathu. Ihistory nje le Chippa United. But nje ubuyodlala neOrlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates la igame ezokubaleka kakhulu for Orlando Pirates. They need to collect ama 3 points. Siyazi ke Chippa United ufana njengokuthi iclub efanayo njenge Orbit College because Orlando Pirates most abadlali bayo balona kuyona Chippa United. So I wouldn't be surprised to see uGoodman Mosele engadlali against Orlando Pirates. Ziningi indlela zokuthola u3 points kwiPretoria Premiership. Ziningi indlela zokuthola u3 points. But uma uundermine ama team njengoChippa United ilapho khona uyithola ungayiwini league. I'm not saying Mamelodi Sundowns they undermine Chippa United when they drew against the Chippa United. No, they didn't undermine Chippa United. Engakusho nje ukuthi currently Mamelodi Sundowns they are not doing well. Njengoba bengenzi nje kahle, they didn't undermine them. Chippa United came with a game plan. Bafika nje ne-game plan bakwazi ukuthi bayishaye nge-mid block Mamelodi Sundowns. So njengoba siyodlala against yona Chippa United, we mustn't undermine this team because ama-team kanje they tend to do well against ama-team ku-big 3. So Orlando Pirates mele be prepared. Mele be prepared ngempela ukuthi izobhekana nenkinga masiyodlala nayo because I saw the last game when we played against the Orbit College. Yes, utholile 3 points. So utholile 3 points but uthole kanzima lo 3 points. So when you are playing against the Chippa United, I know isezansi ku number 16 but ucoach kumele aqalise ischeme sakhe esiqinile. Kumele aqalise ischeme sakhe esiqinile because we are playing away. Sidlala away aswazi ama conditions esobhekana nawo mase siyodlala lapha. I saw the pitch when they were playing against Mamelodi Sundowns. The pitch was not good. So we must field our best playing players. Abadlali bethu basinikeze iwin. Yabo basinikeze iwin first half nje mfethu sithole noma goal amabili noma amathathu. Good second half introduce labadlali abangajwayele ukudlala because lento lesayibona first game athi sidlala against Orbit College. It wasn't a good thing. I don't wanna lie. It wasn't a type of football I saw when we were playing against Mamelodi Sundowns. Yabo, it looked like we were struggling. Bese strugglisha ngempela against the team esathana promote ku-Pretoria Premiership. So these teams they tend to show off when they are playing against ama-team amakhulu. So we must teach them a lesson. Sibanikeze nje noma 3 first half. 3 first half. I know Chippa United ade yafika la but iChippa phela ngeke uyiregard as team enkulu bafethu. Buka nje currently number 6 abo number 16. So currently kusikhathi Orlando Pirates ama improvement esimele improve kuona kumele improve lapha ka left back ukhona Deon Hotto. Yes kumele aqale uDeon Hotto. For me I think umjida kumele aqale but second half sim introduce uNdaba noma siqalise yena uNdaba yabo see ukuthi kahle kahle sowenze njani. But uNdaba really impressed me when we were playing against the Orbit College. I want to see a lot of uNdaba yabo mase siya improve lapha eswini ngathi singaqalisa abadlali vele abajwayele ukudlala. Talent Mbatha, I want to see uTalent Mbatha maybe playing with Sipho Mbule. But when you pay those guys, yes badlala kahle bow2 but I haven't seen a lot of games lapho khona ngibona uTalent Mbatha ewaqeda lawo ma game. I haven't seen a lot of games ngibona khona uSipho Mbule ewaqeda lawo ma game. Izona izinto abadida bow2 bashaya. Angazi noma mhlawumbe match fitness abanayo noma yini but bona bayadlala yabo bayalazi ibhola bow2 bayakwazi complementana semeze uSipho uNduli benalo mjidelo benombatha bayakwazi complementana ndawonye. But I haven't seen both of them finishing ama games maybe waqalile. Angazi noma senina ke into kanjalo. So kungaba inkinga in a long run but I want to see more for uTalent Mbatha mfethu. uTalent Mbatha kumele ayilungise leyo nkinga le. I think kunaleyo ishe encane uTalent Mbatha ukuthi akawaqeda ama games mewaqalile nje ngathi stamina sikho mfethu yabo yonke into engikhalisa kakhulu, but uThandi Mbasa mfethu mina bengathanda ukuthi ngimbone eqala benalomjito lo benombuli yabo. Qalise nje uMbatha benombuli mase uthi second half some introducer mhlawumbe uSihle Nduli, maqala uSihle Nduli as number 6 mase ukuthi uMbatha aqale as number 8 mase ukuthi lapha ku number 10 sidlalise yena uSipho Mbuli. I think nalapho singakwazi ukuthi simanage igame mase ukuthi kuma wingers introduce lemjida mfethu uThembang Morim left winger. I think uThembang Morim futhi uyi left winger. I don't know, I saw him playing very good as a left winger when we were playing against the college. He was introduced, the ball was really good. He made those impressive runs, he dribbled indlela driblisha ngakhona umjida impela likhona yena ukuthi angazi noma uvalo noma yini usamusha umjida uzosinikeza something in the long run, but uyakhombisa yena ukuthi likhona ibhola lapha. That is what we need kuma wingers Orlando Pirates. We want to see you dribble, we want to see you taking on players, we want to see you crossing the balls. Snake striker lapha, just snake striker, i-striker zethu zitesti. Acinane nje ukubona istriker seOrlando Pirates mfethu score amagoli kule season. Asikho istriker seOrlando Pirates esakora igoli. Imagine sesidlala ama games amangaka. I think sesidlala ama games ayi game ePulwane City, igame eMamelodi Sundowns, I think sesidlala ama games ayi 9 of those games akusikho istriker sisodwa seOrlando Pirates esakora igoli. Mhlawumbe I may be wrong, ungangikhomboza ngama comments, but I don't remember any of our strikers scoring a goal this season since saqalile le season yabo. So we need ama ball angene eboxini, siyafuna ukubona i-strikers zethu zikora ama goal. We want to see goals yabo, because this season so far if ngikhumbula kahle kusakore lo mjida lo, kusakore uTito, kusakore uSibelebele, kusakore uCM. Yeah, I may be wrong kodwa no Sinapolis, yes Sinapolis ukorile, but nje abekho baningi abadlali Orlando Pirates abasakorile kule season yabo. We need more goals guys. Mob Justice Football ade sagcina ukuyibona, ngifuna ukuyibona iMob Justice Football sidlala against iChippa United. Against nje iChippa United kumele uAbdeslam Wadu afield the best starting lineup. We need to go up, we can't be number 9. A big team like Orlando Pirates, we've made a huge investment with transfer window. Clearly window just phuma kulona investment esiyenzile iningi kakhulu. We can't be number 9 yabo, kumele sikhuphuke nje sithole 3 points sibe na 9 points another game yabo. Take each and every game at a time yabo. Sodlala ama prelims eCAF Champions League soon yasodlala nje ama prelims, mela lawo ama prelims asifice vele sifit. Siyodlala iMTN 8 final, leyo MTN 8 final mele sifice sifit, mele sifice ama morals zethu ephezulu, mele sifice nje si happy mfethu yabo. Chippa United mele usinikeze lo 3 points. Chippa United sokhuluma sinikeze 3 points sokunikeza umdlalo. But wangitshela abafethu score prediction kuma comments, wangitshela ukuthi Orlando Pirates le game le izoyiwina noma izoyidraw. But mina I see Orlando Pirates la idlula ngo 3-1. I see a 3-1 win for Orlando Pirates. Wangitshela ukuthi ubani wena ngokwakho ofisa ukubabona amekora, but I wish to see Sinapolis getting a goal. I wish to see a striker Makgopa maybe ulumjida lo uMabasa bethola igoli yabo.